Damn, no, chill. You're an expert or what? Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. Man, I need a shave. Holy crap. Welcome back. Welcome to new users. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Today we are officially switching out the clutch, so I'm super excited. Tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and black out the interior, and then the day after that we're having the Paul Walker car meet. So if you guys are interested and you guys are locally here in the NorCal by Sacramento, there's gonna be a huge Paul Walker memory kind of meet that we have every year. Last year was pretty insane. So many cars showed up. It was pretty awesome. But besides that, we're gonna be switching out the clutch. Here we got action clutch. We're gonna go ahead and put this in the car. I do have to go work with my dad here in the morning, so I'm gonna go to work, and then after that we're gonna go catch my friend at his place. We got the clutch. We got a stage 2 action clutch. Also, I do want to say a huge thanks to Action Clutch for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to send me their product, man. I was gonna say they're amazing, but I guess we'll find out if they're amazing. We're gonna test out the product, see how good it is, how it feels. But I can tell you one thing, shipping was definitely amazing. The day I ordered it, it literally came like a day after or 2 days after, I believe. Super fast shipping, so I appreciate that. Now we're gonna actually test out the product. And then over here we got the actual flywheel. So let's go ahead and mount this in the G35, head over and see how it goes. He says I'm gonna do everything myself, so I don't know much, so he's gonna guide me through it. The process, the time, and how we do is probably gonna take a little longer since I don't know how a lot of it. I've searched some videos, but this shirt got me messed up. My bad, y'all. We're gonna see. We're gonna learn today. We're gonna learn. Before we go over to my friend, he's gonna give me a call, and we're gonna go work with my dad for a bit until my friend calls me up. Gotta help out with the pops, you already know. And I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what he does. You know, I'm gonna show you. They're constructing some brand new parking lots in Davis. Couldn't go to work with my dad because he called me early, so we're just gonna start early. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this subframe or this frame right here first. You know, some bolts, 1, 2. I don't know why I'm trying to do a tutorial. I'm just trying to, you know, remember myself. And then he said we gotta remove this, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. God damn. So we were finally able to take this bolt out right here, or this nut. We had to use this fat ass breaker bar. Anyways, we can just take this out. Shit, I might switch them. Now we gotta take the transmission mount. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it?
I think so, yeah.
Alright y'all, that's the front of the car. We go right here to the back, and he told me to remove the bolts from the drive shaft. In the videos I seen they removed only the front half of the drive shaft, but I'm just gonna follow what he says since he already switched a lot of them. So we have to mark it right here so you know where to put the bolt back on. And we got 1, 2. Then we're gonna rotate this, remove the other ones, and then we're gonna remove these over here by like the white pipe area, the mid pipe white pipe connection, and we'll continue from there. So I didn't know this, so I'm gonna just say it just for anybody who doesn't know or just tries to attempt this. In order to twist this, the car has to be in neutral. So just a little fun fact. I didn't know. I'm sorry guys, I'm learning here. I'm not gonna act like I'm an expert. I'm still learning. So alright, just after we loosened those bolts, we basically just scooted the drive shaft from there, and we just scooted it back a little bit. It's just hanging on right here through the back. So much better when everything's cooled down. Oh my god, I was burning myself earlier. I think this is a shifter linkage. Correct me if I'm wrong. I am brand new to the manual transmission world. But we're gonna remove this, then we're gonna go remove these 2 bolts, the transmission mount, and then I believe it's this one, and then we're gonna take this off, and then we're gonna proceed to take off these 2 bolts from this side and this side. about this one. I just put these ones back. I took them off. They hold this bracket right here. Took it off and put it right back. I'm gonna take off these, and then these two over here. 1, 2 to take off this bracket. And then after that, we should be able to continue with the bell housing bolts. Alright guys, it seems like we're all good to go. The wiring harness is all unplugged from the transmission. We took off the brackets. I took off this right here. I don't know what the hell this is, but it goes to here. So it looks like this clutch already has an aftermarket clutch. We're gonna see what brand it is, hopefully. But yeah, let's take this off. Alright guys, so we just took off the clutch and the flywheel. The clutch itself is an Exidy clutch. I don't know where I saw it, I forgot. Actually right here, Exidy. It says Exidy. The plate, I'm not sure where it's from. It says right here DK. I'm not sure how to determine if this thing's worn out or not. But hopefully the new one grabs. That's all I'm hoping for. That's the only thing that freaking bothered me. Like the car was not grabbing, it was slipping. He said the flywheel is in pretty good condition. Regardless, let's go see what Action Clutch sent us. So here we already took it out kind of, but we got the clutch over here with some fucking we got the flywheel, and it even tells you what side it is, flywheel side, so that's freaking awesome. Action Clutch. Here we got the flywheel. This is a chromonoli, I don't know, something. It's got Action Clutch right there, very nice. Sent us a freaking sticker, keychain, a banner. We're gonna fucking rock this, bro. And then over here on this side, we got even more goodies. We got a foam pop socket, and then here's a pressure plate. Over here we got the alignment tool. We got another keychain. We got the little balls over here. Got a sticker right here. Then we got a little pressure plate keychain, bro. This is sick as fuck. If this would have said Action Clutch, the little keychain, that would have been sick. But regardless, it's still sick. Here we got the new flywheel. We're just installing the fucking. We're gonna torque these down to spec. Guys, some pilot bushing tool.
Yeah, removable pilot bushing.
¿Salió? Pero dice 0%, pero it's really 60%.
Oh, see?
Yeah. Damn, no, eh? Chill. You're an expert or what? Alright, y'all, so for the next episode, we're gonna finish this. We're gonna have to leave this here for now. The reason why is, let me show you guys. By the way, we're gonna be going with Royal Purple synthetic 75W90. And the actual cause of why the car was not, grabbing on, was because of this. This is the front cover plate of the transmission. And let me see if I can turn this around. This right here, where the throwout bearing goes, there's a groove right there. There's a groove, and this is supposed to be smooth, and there's a groove there, so it was like conflicting with it, and it was not really letting it attach. You could almost hear the groove. So we ordered a new one. It's gonna come probably in around 2 days, and then we should finish this, and then we'll have the car working properly just in time for the car meet. So I'll post a flyer on Instagram if you guys want to come. But yeah, this should come in Saturday. Alright, y'all, so I apologize. I could not finish the clutch. like I said, that little, this doesn't look good. That front cover plate from the transmission and where the throwout bearing goes into, there was a little groove. He said that's not supposed to be there. That could probably be the cause of it, or he's pretty certain that's the cause of it, because the clutch itself is pretty in good condition. So we had the call. We got Z1 Motorsport. Thankfully they had that single piece, and you could just freaking take that piece out instead of replacing the whole damn transmission. So I ordered that part. It's on its way. It should come tomorrow, Saturday, and we should be able to install it just in time for the Paul Walker meet, and I could be able to take out my car out there and hopefully see some of you fuckers out there. But yeah, guys, that was the issue. But what I think of the process so far, I mean, the new clutch is already in, so the rest is pretty much just installing everything back on. But what did I think of it? Honestly, I think it's much easier than I thought it was. Maybe on YouTube videos, just so many damn steps that you just kind of go crazy. But once you're actually down there, it's pretty self-explanatory. Actually, no, it's not self-explanatory, but you could, like, at least for the people that are like pretty handy with cars, you can tell, okay, like in order to take this, there's this attached to this, there's this attached to this, I gotta remove this and that. So like in that sort of sense, it's kind of self-explanatory. But now I got a 100% more knowledge about how to remove that. The only thing I would have trouble is probably like taking down the transmission. That's probably the hardest thing. I know you need some tools and stuff like that to like drop it down and not have it freaking bang on your head and die. So that's probably the hardest part, at least for me. The rest was pretty simple, taking down just bolts and stuff like that. So pretty simple, putting the clutch and all that, pretty simple. I'll catch you guys next video with the installation, with the finishing installation of the clutch and the review. And it's gonna be exciting, boys. Hopefully it runs good. I'm excited, and then hopefully we could get an RJM pedal, clutch pedal. But besides that, I'll catch you guys next video. Stay safe out there, be safe. Catch you guys next video.